Okay, so the engine is in. I say in, it's just got the one bolt through there, one bolt through there. Still got to put the rest of the cradle in and the other two engine mount bolts that go through. I was just looking at the frame and I see there's a snapped bolt here, so we're going to have to drill that out, tap it, see if we can get it out without too much damage, but we will see. So I think today what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of the wiring done up here, get as much of this plumbed in as I can, take the old battery off, throw that away because that is, well, that's definitely had it. Yeah, just see what little bits and bobs we can do. So yeah, let's get to it. I think we'll get this carb off and have a quick look over this, and then we can fit that back on along with the air box. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Let's have a look. Here's the original air box, and I think it's got a filter in there. Oh. Doesn't look too bad, but that ain't great. So we'll empty that out, give it a clean. Yeah, but I'll just show you what I was just doing just here. Just plugging in some of the wiring loom, putting in the rubber hose. This hose that goes round here, the purpose of it is to help with the mid-range. Some people will, it's the same with the RGV 250, other than it's got two of them. Some people will just put a small bit of here, or they'll blank these off. I've never tried blanking them off or shortening the hoses. People say it adjusts the mid-range and makes it worse. Some people say it makes no difference at all. So, yeah, I don't know. But I'll stick with this. As long as it's not cracked, we'll use that. Okay, right. So someone's chopped this wire, which is normally what you do when you want to take out the restriction. Not sure that the exhaust I've got has been cut open and had the thingy removed, but we'll come to that. I've got a couple of CDIs, I've got a couple more stashed away. The one everyone tends to want to use, that code there, D40. People say, oh yeah, it's the unrestricted one, but there's actually nothing to prove it. So we're going to put that one in. Sorry if you can hear the ultrasonic cleaner, the old carbs churning away in there. Let's get that. Get that. Let's see if we can get that one there. Let's get his battery out, put a new one in. interesting approach someone has used to fit in it. So there we go. I haven't even bothered to see if this battery will charge up. Yes, a good one, but yeah, has it got a date on it?
Now look at the screws. There we go. What I'm going to do is just plug in the starter motor. Well, it might be more a pain than I thought, actually. Just someone clearly chopped the cable up at some point. Luckily, I've got another one. Well, I think what we'll try, I need to
Attach this cable, this earth kill. Right, that's missing the screws out of here. Okay, I'll need to find some screws, but for the time being, I think we could find something to. There we go. Right, let's get the key. The neutral light won't come on because got a key. Doesn't turn the ignition. I bet it doesn't. No, does not turn the ignition. Amazing. Wonder what that's for. Wonder if we've got any other keys in here.
So there's the one key, and it's not the right key. I'll go back to the fuel tank, right? Let's take care of this. So, does that key open the lock? It does. Just doesn't turn the ignition.
Oh, it does turn the ignition. Oh, we have light. It's not going to start, and we don't have neutral light, we don't have an oil light, although it does have oil in it, so that would make sense. Neutral is here, needs hooking up, but we can try and see if we can get some oil pumping around it. Let's take the spark plug out. Make it crank a bit easier.
Right, it's just got to the end of this pipe, so I'm just going to put a screw in the end of that. Fine one. Okay.
Yeah, but let that start to cool down. So we need to get rid of these bubbles. What I should have done is open the bleed screw, let it bleed out. But what I'll do is I'll keep running it through until there's no bubbles.
Right, get this card apart, just check all the jets, see what they're like before it goes back together. Or goes on the bike, I should say. Well, she's on there. Go tap. Oh yeah, she needs a clean. We got to stay with that jet. Hang on.
Yeah, no, this needs to come apart and be cleaned. Right, let's crack on.
You can't see it, there's actually a jet just here. It's like tar. Normally with this mixture, should be in the country, but don't have it, so. There we go. Alright, take out the JIS screwdrivers, because they fit really good, providing you've got the proper screw. That is perfect. Normal Phillips head will strip that. This should just come with one turn. There we go. Honestly, if you're going to do it, it makes such a big difference using the proper tools. I know I just use a screwdriver to knock that pin through, but when it comes to some of these Phillips screws, the right tool makes a big difference. Got to be gentle with this, or it does deform them. There we go. There's just this one we need to take out. 12 mil.
Now, there is actually a jet that sits in this pipe here. These have a habit of snapping, either this end or on the carb, so I'll try not to ever take too much pressure to them. But I think I'm going to put this in the ultrasonic cleaner along with the rest of it and give it a good blast through afterwards. That can come off. We still need to get that jet out. I should do it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this has got dried fuel all in it, which is why it's green and sticky. Same with there, and all of that, and on the float, which is actually good that the float hasn't fallen apart. It actually looks pretty healthy. I just want to get these pipes off. Oh, there goes one. I might need a bit of hot water on this to soften it up. Get this out and put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. See what it comes out like. So I'm going to go and do that. I'm going to come back to this in a bit.